All right, we're back and we're better than ever. We're back in the Collector's Corner here today, full of fun and activities in East Tennessee. I'm Aris alongside the lovely Leslie, and now it is time for our football box break. What we're doing today is we're opening up 5 of these Panini Playbook hanger boxes, and we are opening up 1 Panini Playbook Mega Box. 5 hangers, 1 mega. Seems like it's a weekly thing here in the Collector's Corner, beautiful East Tennessee. If it's your first time here, hey guys, thanks for joining us. Be sure to like us on Facebook. That's facebook.com/collectorscornertm. First 500 people to like our page. 32 of you will be randomly selected to be in an absolute free box break with 4 hanger boxes of Mosaic Football and 2 value packs, solo packs of Mosaic Football. All you got to do, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/collectorscornertn, and you can go home with some free football cards. Pretty sweet if you ask me. So, without further ado, we got a very busy day on tap, so let's go into it. We're opening up 5 of these, 5 Playbook hanger boxes. We're going to be opening up the orange parallel variety today in the hanger boxes and purple in the mega box. 30 cards per box. This is the breakdown of what you can get inside the hanger boxes. We have pulled autographs out of the hanger boxes before. It's been a minute. How about we do it today? Good luck, everybody, in the Panini Playbook hanger box break. We've opened up just baseball today, so it'll be fun to get back to the gridiron. And then we'll be capping off the day with some b-ball. That's basketball. Kenyon Drake, Stephon Diggs, Darren Waller, Mitchell Trubisky, Phillip Rivers, Julio Jones, Lamar Jackson, Scary Terry McLaurin. And by the way, guys, I have been talking to myself the entire day. The last 2 breaks that I've done, nobody wanted to talk to me. So if you want to chat, go ahead and talk to me in the chat. I'd love to talk about anything you want. Football, baseball, basketball. How did everybody do? Did anybody win any money in their office pool for the NCAA tournament? Love to hear about it. Le'Veon Bell, George Kittle. Next up, Gabriel Davis, Alexander Madison, Zoning Commission. Next up, Cam Akers. How you doing, Leslie?
Speedy but good.
DJ Chark. Hey, Justin Herbert, base. Good, good. Love to see that. That's in there. Okay. DJ Dallas, Brandon Ayuk. A couple big names early in the first hanger box. Anthony McFarland, Tyree Cleveland. We've pulled a couple of his autographs before. To the oranges, Dak Prescott, Patrick Mahomes, Jonathan Hightower IV, Keyshawn Vaughn. Sleeve that one up. And Quez Watkins. That's rough. Getting a Hightower and a Quez Watkins orange for the Eagles. And neither of those being Jalen Hurts or even Jalen Reagor. Hey, plenty of time to make up that, though. On to the second of 5 hanger boxes. Pull a nice Herbie out of the first one. Let's see if we can get Tua and Joey B. It's been a while since we got the trifecta in a box break of this amount of cards. If you like this break, we have the same exact box break up on our YouTube page, or on our eBay page, but doubled. So we have 10 hanger boxes and 2 mega boxes live right now on our eBay page. It ends tonight, and we'll be opening it tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. Joey Bosa, Ryan Kerrigan, Jack Doyle, Sony Michel, Russell Wilson, Fletcher Cox, Derrick Henry, Rashawn Gary. With the draft coming up in Cleveland, it's going to be very interesting to see where the chips fall. A lot of trades already for the early first round picks. Eagles getting in on the action. The Jets trading away Sam Darnold. Any comment on that? Seems like they gave up on him a little too early, but that's just me. Jared Goff, obviously, old face in a new place. We talked about Jalen Reagor. Next up. John Ross. Harrison Bryant. Jerry Jeudy base for Denver. Colin Johnson, Michael Pittman. To our oranges, Kenyon Drake, Stephon Diggs, Darren Waller. Not the Bengal we were hoping for, Logan Wilson, and Desmond Patman rounds out the oranges for that box. Pretty interesting to see all the quarterbacks on the move. Ryan Fitzpatrick going to the Washington football team. So just adding to his jersey collection pretty much. Darnold going to Carolina. Stafford going to LA. Good for him getting out of Detroit. Tom Brady, Byron Jones, Joey Bosa, Ryan Kerrigan, Jack Doyle, Sony Michel, Russell Wilson, Fletcher Cox, Kyler Murray, Devin Singletary, Derek Carr, Roquan Smith, Randall Cobb, Curtis Samuel, Justin Tucker. You know he's an opera singer? Look it up. It's crazy. Cooper Kupp. Next up, Brian Edwards, Zoning Commission, Benny Snell. Next up, Jerry Jeudy. To Denver we will go. Got to get a little bit more of an outline there. You could hardly tell that he's wearing pants on this card.
Maybe he's not.
Hey. You can take a closer look if you want. Evan Ingram. Nice base. Las Vegas Raider. Henry Ruggs III. Donovan Peoples-Jones. Cam Akers. KJ Osborne. LaMichael Pirine. To our oranges, Devin Singletary. Derek Carr. Roquan Smith. Ooh, this is looking like it might be Tua. Lynn Bowden. And Adam Troutman. Hanger box number 4 of 5 coming straight at ya. N'Keal Harry, Chris Carson, Alshon Jeffrey, Ryan Tannehill, Blake Martinez, Nick Chubb, Taysom Hill. He's getting paid, or is he? Who really knows what the rules are of that contract that he signed? Devin Bush. Leighton Vander Esch, Sammy Watkins, Kenny Golladay on his way to the Big Apple. Or not really, because the Giants play in New Jersey. Sam Darnold. Next up, Keyshawn Vaughn. Zoning Commission Ezekiel Elliott. He had the case of fumbleitis last year, didn't he? Jake Fromm, Mitchell Trubisky. Zeke didn't look that good. Kenneth Murray. This guy, however, did look pretty great when he had his starting quarterback throwing him the ball. C.D. Lamb. Joe Reed, Denzel Mims. New York Jets hit. John Hightower. Justin Tucker. Cooper Kupp. Josh Allen. Tristan Wirfs. I think I saw something on Twitter, him bench pressing a outrageous amount of weight. So that's good for him. He's definitely in good shape, but not the best rookie card of the bunch. For now, at least. Who knows what'll happen down the road. We'll see how Tristan can prove himself in the NFL. Last of the hanger boxes already. Little eager McBeaver on that one. Josh Allen, Hunter Renfrow, Tariq Cohen, Marlon Mack. We'll see him back on the field this season after going out week 1. DK Metcalf, Carson Wentz, another quarterback going to a new place. D.D. Westbrook, Christian Kirk. He's good for about 3 catches of 75 yards a season. Cole Hardman, Anthony Miller, Deshaun Watson. Let's not talk about him. Brian Burns, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff. Don't forget your carry-on Johnson, Naheem Hines. Jalen Hurts next up. Good hit for the Eagles. Though this card is outdated now, wearing number 2 on the card, now wearing number 1. So not only is he number 1 in your heart, but also number 1 on the field. Quintez Cephas, James Morgan, Jason Huntley, Laviska Shenault, going to Jacksonville. Trevon Diggs, Mitchell Trubisky, another quarterback not playing where he did in 2020. Phillip Rivers, he'll be playing. Well, I was going to say something weird, but I'm just going to say that he's not playing football professionally this season. Jalen Reagor and Jeff Gladney rounds out the hanger boxes. And that's our 5 hanger boxes. Now it's time for the piece de resistance. It's time for the mega box, boys and girls. 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Find 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box on average. I'm hoping for the autograph. I think everybody is. So, once again, we're looking for the purple exclusives here in the mega. A breakdown of the back of the box. And once again, there is a break up right now on our eBay page for 10 hanger boxes of Playbook and 2 mega boxes. So if you enjoyed this one or you really want to get a card in particular, you have a better chance of doing it in that break coming up. We'll be opening those up tomorrow. Those are the 4 packs inside the box. Literally nothing else except air. Here's what the packs look like. From the front or from the back?
The back.
The back it is. Good luck in the mega box. Let's see what comes out of it. Hopefully something fantastic. Matt Stafford. Kyle Van Noy. Purple Jerry Jeudy. Second Jeudy of the break. And check that out. Following the purple Judy is a base Judy. So Denver getting your money's worth today, boyo. And Colin Johnson. Second pack. Patrick Mahomes. Taysom Hill. Joe Mixon. Harrison Bryant. Clavon Chasen. Our hit. TBD still. Dak Prescott. Nick Chubb. Purple Randall Cobb. Christian Fulton, Tennessee. And Antonio Gandy Golden for the football team. Which means that our hit is coming from the last pack, which was the first pack in the box. So, way to make it very intense, Leslie.
I wanted you to get the card right away, the last one. And you didn't, so I wanted to make sure that I was, just going with what you wanted.
Typical alien logic. Typical alien logic. Well, it seems like our hit is going to be the second card. I don't know. We'll see. We're just going to go with it, right? Aaron Donald. Yes, it is. It's our second card. Donovan Peoples-Jones autograph going to Cleveland. Congratulations on that one. So we did get some ink out of there. Donovan Peoples-Jones, the hit of the break. As a breakdown of his autograph, seems like there's the infinity symbol and then PJ. The former Wolverine. Michael Pittman, Quez Watkins, and Xavier McKinney. Finishes it up. So, there is our ink. Pretty satisfied that we pulled away with an autograph. Donovan Peoples-Jones, congratulations to the lucky new owner. Thanks again for joining us here in the Collector's Corner. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you again next time. And if you're here early for the Panini Prism basketball break, that will be coming up in just 25 minutes. Be on the lookout for that. We have 2 hobby boxes we're about to rip into.